Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
So where is Vinayak, sir?
Hello.
Didn't join. Okay. All right. I was just trying to get Jia and Sachit is here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sachit is here. Good. Arav Nikesh needs to come. Then I think we are all good to go. Okay. While it looks almost impossible to win here, what's the cool move, Jia? What should I do for white? How would I win it? Panya, do you know the answer? The answer is move this. Because once the queen takes it, then you can do a fork.
Oh.
Right? And now you can't do anything, right? You move the king, and the queen is dead. So it's a draw. The same thing works even if the king takes it. Then I give a check on the other end. And once the king moves, you capture it and it's a draw. Okay, these are what is called tactics in chess. Okay, tactics essentially means some form of a double attack.
Sir, but there's not a stalemate.
No, it's not a stalemate. It's a draw because there's only kings left in the board. After he takes this, it will be only king left. Okay, so tactics form a very, very important part of learning chess. So it's very important to first identify these tactics. So how do we go about it? First, let's look at your clubs. Let's look at 15 BGR. I'm hoping I can see all of you guys here. Report card. Puzzles, lessons mainly. Okay, and workouts. Because I asked you to do workouts. Okay, Maisara didn't come today as well. Arav Shetty is out. Ansh आपने कुछ नहीं किया. Why? Why are you waiting? अभी तक pawn 1 में हैं आप. Do more, Ansh. Come on. Go to do more. Like 10 attempts only. 10 puzzles. Spend more time on Chess Kid. That's how you will get better. Nidhi, I need to move you to the other room. Please accept my invite to go to Madhushri Ma'am's room. Okay, Vihan has been shifted. Abhiruchi shifted. Arav Nikesh, good to see you on knight 1, my boy, but you need to get to queen 1. Okay, so you can do a few more lessons. These are very, very basic lessons. You can go beyond that. Vishwajit, fantastic with king 8. Keep it up. Good with 395 puzzles as well. Rating is also really, really good. Cross 800. Cross it, man. Come on, you can do it. I know. And good with the workout also. Very good. Keep it up. Anvesha, king 5. Fantastic. 746. Very, very good. 275. Fantastic. Keep it up. Jia Shri, I want you to log into your chess kit. You haven't logged in at all. I want you to start doing the puzzles. And I want you to start doing the lessons. And lessons and puzzles. These are the two main things. Okay, because there are some amazing videos, interactive lessons, tests, and all of that, which will help you push your rating up. So far you've learned the basic, but now you can start doing the extra stuff, something that will take you to the next level. Okay, Samanyu, good job, keep it up. Queen 8 is very good, impressive. 749 is also good. Queen 9, Suryansh, very good. Rating needs to go up, bring it closer to 800. Okay, try it a few more times. Sachit?
Yes, sir.
Same problem. Haven't done Chess Kit. So, please log into Chess Kit today. Start doing your puzzles and your lessons. Mainly lessons. Because the first few are just super easy, man. You just have to go start doing only the videos. Right, Panya? It's just about watching a bunch of videos, isn't it? Like, just understanding what's checkmate, what's check, and all of that, isn't it? Arudra is in the other one. So, have I covered everybody's? Almost all the people who are here: perpetual check, pin, remove the defender, sacrifice, simplification, smothered mate, trap piece. All of these are nothing but patterns in chess. Okay? Even the greatest grandmaster world champion, who's Garry Kasparov, in his video talks a lot about patterns. In his books, he talks about patterns. He says whichever player can recognize patterns becomes a much better chess player. Something that I've been telling for 8-9 years now. You know, patterns is everything in chess. So let's learn how to identify patterns. The first thing we are going to do is back rank. Okay, if you know the answer, type it on chat. Okay, so what I'm going to do is reduce the size of this window a bit. Okay, chat or raise your hand. You can do one of these. If you know the answer, please raise your hand.
So should we do it on? Should we raise our hand on with the participants one, or should we
Yes.
orally raise hand?
Participant one, not the reaction one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
So those who could not raise your hand, it's your chance to observe and learn. Okay, learn as we discuss the solution. Okay, Anvesha, go for it.
Move the A1 rook to A8.
So the guys, all you need to remember is this framework. CCAD, check, kill, attack, defend.
Check, kill, attack, defend.
Generate ideas using check, kill, attack, defend. So that's exactly what Anvesha is saying. Sir, go here, give me a check. What would Black King do?
So he would block.
He would block with this. You will kill him. Then he'll block with this. You'll kill him. And then he'll block with this. And you'll kill him.
Yep.
But that's back rank mate. Why is it back rank? And why is it even called back rank? See, the last rank of the board is called the back rank. What is the last rank? The rank 8. Edge of the board. Edge of the board, essentially. Back rank mate is nothing but edge mate. Okay, it's the edge of the board. You're giving a check with the rook or the queen. And in order to escape this back rank mate, right, the king needs to have 3 squares in front of him where he can escape. In this case, what happens? 2 of the squares are blocked by his own pieces. And the third one is being controlled by this pawn. Therefore, he
So
has
not pawn rook.